Hello, dear students. How are you doing today?
Very good, teacher.
All right, very good, very good. Yeah, I'm okay as well. I'm pretty good. So in our previous class, we learned about food containers and quantities. We also were studying about countable and uncountable nouns. We also studied about how to use the questions how much and how many. Okay? Today, we have a practical class. We're going to continue with the vocabulary we studied before in our previous class, and we're going to learn some new words, some new vocabulary, okay? So today's topic is how much bread do you want? Could you repeat after me, please? How much bread do you want? How much bread do you want?
How much bread do you want?
Okay, as you can see, we're using how much, all right? How much, that's the question we're using there. Okay, the vocabulary. I have some flashcards pasted on the board. Do you see? Okay? I'm going to use this marker to point, and basically you have to repeat, okay? We're going to practice the pronunciation of each word. Okay, are you ready? Yes or not?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Let's listen and repeat. 3 sacks of rice.
3 sacks of rice.
Okay, 3 sacks of rice.
3 sacks of rice.
Perfect. Next, number 2. A jug of lemonade.
A jug of lemonade.
Okay, a jug of lemonade.
A jug of lemonade.
Very good, very good. Number 3, it's 2 cups of coffee.
2 cups of coffee.
2 cups of coffee.
2 cups of coffee.
Great. Number 4, a glass of water.
A glass of water.
A glass of water.
A glass of water.
Yeah, as you can see, it's basically a glass, right, with water for you to drink when you're thirsty, right? Number 5, a can of tomatoes.
A can of tomato.
Yeah, this is the container. A can of what? Tomatoes, right? Number 6, 4 bottles of soda.
4 barrels of soda.
4 bottles of soda.
4 barrels of soda.
Great, great. Number 7, 2 pounds of cheese.
2 pounds of cheese.
2 pounds of cheese.
2 pounds of cheese.
Excellent. 8, a bar of chocolates.
A bar of chocolate.
Do you like chocolate? Do you like it?
Yes.
Delicious?
Yes.
Is it good? Yeah. I also like chocolate. Yeah, it's delicious, of course. Yeah. Number 9, a jar of honey.
A jar of honey.
Okay? The honey is sweet, right? And this is the container, the jar. Okay, number 10, a carton of milk.
A carton of milk.
Okay, one more time. A carton of milk.
A carton of milk.
Good, excellent. Okay, and the last one, we have a packet of cookies.
A packet of cookies.
Okay, a packet of cookies.
A packet of cookies.
All right, excellent, very good job. Okay, now, we're going to use this vocabulary, the vocabulary we studied before, and we're going to continue with this game. Do you like to play? Do you like games? Yes or not?
Yes.
Okay, I do like, I also like games. The name of this game is the containers race. Okay, this is like a competition. I'm going to explain this. We're gonna be using these dice, all right? I brought these dice, and basically it's about containers. As you can see, the containers, like the bottle, the can, the jar, the sacks, are in this game. So we're gonna start over here. We're gonna have two guys in the game. The first one, it's the monkey. You see the monkey? The monkey. He's your friend. And you have also the crocodile. So if you land on number 4, for example, you have this monkey. You're gonna move, or you're going to jump to 7. You're going to jump to 7. If you land on number 8, which is the crocodile, so you're gonna start a game. Okay, you're gonna start the game again. Okay, for example, let's suppose that I'm going to throw the dice. As you can see, What's that number? Okay. Number? 1. So I'm going to move one space. And what do I have to do? Once you're in number 2, you have the word battle. Okay? Battle, for example. And what is it? The battle. So you can say a bottle of water. Okay, this is an example. So once you have bottle, you have to say a bottle of water. Or also you can use it in plural. You can say 4 bottles of soda. Okay? Both are okay. What's gonna happen if you land in number 11, for example? You have can. And can, it says question. So a question with how many? So you're going to say how many. This is the example. How many cans of tomatoes? How many cans of tomatoes? So if you're okay, perfect, all right? So you don't have to go ahead. You don't have to go back. So you answer the question, you make your question, and you're okay. You can continue. But if the question is not correct, you're gonna stay there, okay? So this is the game, basically. So if you're right with your questions, with your statements, you can continue, you can continue, you can continue. But if you're not okay, if the answer is not correct, you're gonna stay there, and the other student is going to continue. Okay? It's basically a race. It's a game. Okay? So are you ready to play? Yes or not?
Yes.
Okay. So now we're going to play together. That's why I brought some copies, and we're going to form 2 groups. Okay? You're gonna be the first group, and you're going to be the second group. And also, I'm gonna give you a dice. All right? So the dice for you and the dice for you. Okay, so we're gonna form groups to start the game. And you're gonna be playing, and I'm gonna be helping you. All right? Okay, excellent. All right, class, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's start the game.
2. 0.
All right, class, you did a very good job in the previous activity with the dice, with the race. Okay, now we're going to be practicing food containers, but this time we're going to do it with a song, okay? So I brought this song for us to practice. So first of all, let me explain a little bit about this exercise. So we're going to say, as a class, we're gonna say, who stole the cookies from the cookie jar? That's the first question. Everybody's gonna say that with enthusiasm, laughing, smiling. Yeah, that way. Excellent. Then I'm going to point one of you. For example, Pedro. Let's suppose Pedro is there. Pedro stole the cookies from the cookie jar. So Pedro is gonna say, who, me? And the class is gonna say, yes, you. Not me, is gonna say Pedro. So the class is gonna say, then who? And Pedro is going to point another student. Okay? Did you understand? Yes or not? Yes. Yes or not? Yes. All right. Let's do it together. Okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Who stole the cookies from the cookie jar? Kevin stole the cookies from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Not me.
Then who?
Diana stole the cookie from the cookies jar.
Yes, you. Then who?
Jason stole the cookie from the cookie jar.
Oh, me?
Yes, you.
Not me.
Then who? All right, very good. You did a very good job. Excellent. Okay, so we can practice with this song. Maybe later we're going to be practicing a little bit more. Or you can practice in your house with different expressions like, who ate the apples from the apple box, for example. We can do it in that way. Or also we can say, who took the mangoes from the mango box? Okay, they are possibilities. All right, now we're going to write the homework, okay? Okay, so as you can see here, right, this is the homework. So you're going to complete the questions with how much or how many, okay? In the blank, you have to fill in the blank using how much or how many. In this case is how much or how many lemonade do we have? So we have only one bottle. In this case, how much or how many bottles of juice are there in the fridge? So the answer is 3. Then how much or how many mangoes do we have? We have 10 mangoes. Exercise 4, how much or how many bread do you want? 2 loaves of bread. Remember do you remember the topic, today's topic? So you have a clue about how to solve this exercise. And number 5, how much or how many time do you need to finish your homework? An hour, okay? So today we studied about food containers. We were basically reviewing, it was a review of the previous class. And I hope you enjoyed today's class, okay? Did you copy?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Now, I will see you next time. Thanks for coming today and hope to see you next time, okay? Thank you very much. Let's clap our hands.